You accidentally deleted an important file. Maybe it was a family photo, a work document, or an entire folder you didn't mean to remove. Your first instinct might be to download a file recovery program. But stop for a moment. Windows already includes several built-in ways to recover deleted files, and trying these first can save you time, money, and even increase your chances of getting your files back. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted files without installing any third-party software, explain why acting quickly is so important, and share a few tips that can dramatically improve your chances of success. Let's get started. Here's something many people don't know. When you delete a file, Windows doesn't usually erase it immediately. Instead, Windows marks the space the file was using as available for new data. The file often remains on your storage drive until something else overwrites it. That's why the first thing you should do after accidentally deleting an important file is stop using that drive as much as possible. Avoid downloading large files. Don't install new programs. And if the deleted file was on an external drive or USB flash drive, safely disconnect it until you're ready to recover it. The less new data written to the drive, the better your chances of recovering the missing file. Now let's start with the easiest recovery method. It sounds obvious, but many people skip this step. Double-click the recycle bin on your desktop or search for it using Windows Search. If you find your deleted file, right-click it, choose Restore. Windows immediately returns it to its original location. If you deleted several files recently, use the search box inside the recycle bin to quickly find them. You can also sort files by date deleted to locate recently removed items faster. However, if you used Shift+Delete, emptied the recycle bin, or deleted files from some external devices, the file won't be here. That's where the next method comes in. Quick reminder. Before trying more advanced recovery methods, think carefully about where the file was originally saved. Knowing its original location makes recovery much easier. If file history was enabled before the file was deleted, Windows may already have a backup. Open the folder where the deleted file was originally stored. Right-click inside the folder. Select Show More options if needed. Then choose Restore Previous Versions. If previous versions are available, you'll see one or more restore points. Open one to preview its contents. If your missing file is there, click Restore. Or copy the file to another location first if you want to avoid replacing newer files. Keep in mind, file history only works if it was enabled before the file was lost. If it wasn't, don't worry. There's still another built-in option to check. If you save files inside your OneDrive folder, there's a second recycle bin you might not know about. Even if the file is no longer in Windows Recycle Bin, it may still exist in OneDrive's online recycle bin. Open your web browser, sign in to your OneDrive account, open the recycle bin, browse the deleted files. If you find your missing file, select it, then click Restore. The file will return to your OneDrive folder automatically. This method is especially useful if your files were synchronized across multiple devices. Quick tip. Cloud storage isn't just for syncing, it can also protect you from accidental deletion. That's one reason many people use OneDrive or other backup services. If you've been using Windows Backup or backing up your files to an external drive, recovery becomes much easier. Connect your backup drive, open Settings, go to Accounts, then open Windows Backup to confirm your backup settings. If you've created traditional backups using Backup and Restore, restore the missing file from there instead. Regular backups remain the best protection against accidental deletion, drive failure, ransomware, and hardware problems. Recovery is much easier when a backup already exists. Let's cover a few mistakes that can reduce your chances of recovery. Don't keep copying files onto the same drive. Don't install recovery software onto the drive where the deleted file was stored. Avoid downloading large games or updates immediately after deleting an important file. Every new write operation increases the chance that Windows will overwrite the deleted data. If the deleted file is extremely important, use the computer as little as possible until you've attempted recovery. Time matters. Final thoughts. Accidentally deleting a file doesn't always mean it's gone forever. Start with the recycle bin. Then check file history. Look in your OneDrive Recycle bin if you use cloud storage. And finally, restore from Windows Backup if one is available. The sooner you act, the better your chances of getting your files back. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, troubleshooting guides, and built-in tools that make your PC easier to use. And let me know in the comments, what's the most important file you've ever accidentally deleted? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.